Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, Visual Studio with Git and the GitHub extension installed, and your GitHub account signed in. Once signed in, use the Git menu to clone an existing repo or create a new local repo inside your project folder. Make sure to add a relevant. Git ignore and choose the default branch name. This gets you into an editable workspace immediately, so you can stage and commit the first meaningful change without wasting time on optional configurations. Once your workspace is ready, make changes and stage files in the Git Changes pane. Write concise, descriptive commit messages so history remains useful. Create a feature branch for each task to keep work isolated, then push the branch to GitHub and open a pull request for code review. Make use of fetch and pull to stay synced with remote changes, and when conflicts appear, use Visual Studio's merge editor to inspect hunks and choose the correct resolution before committing the merge. To finish, merge approved pull requests and delete merged branches to keep the repo tidy. Add tags for releases if needed. Make sure automated CI runs for each push by configuring GitHub Actions or Azure Pipelines so you catch issues early. If you run into synchronization problems, first run git status to see local state, verify the remote URL and your credentials in Visual Studio, and use pull rebase or the merge tool as appropriate. If authentication fails, re-authenticate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.